What's poppin'? This is Christopher Becomes a Philosopher and Answers the Most Random Questions. Let's get, hold on. I swear every freaking time, nobody wants to hit me up when I'm off camera. But whenever I'm spending time with you, I get texts from Ronald Reagan, goddamn, Shaquille O'Neal. They're like, bro, goddamn. We're about to embark on a, say it with me, stray
kids.
Not
Straying.
not straight, not stretchy, stray.
Like a stray dog.
Stray kids. You've had a goddamn deck of cards in your hand.
Of course.
What's the strongest card in the entire deck?
The Blue Eyes White Dragon.
You're finna fucking piss me off. This nigga right here can spit his ass off too.
Spit like
No,
hot
not
too?
no,
Like-
not hot too. No, I'm saying.
번째 메뉴는 소고기 모듬 세트.
God damn, Wu Young. Wu Young hungry as hell.
구워주시는 거야?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That looks absolutely delicious. Like I would eat it like that. I can't lie. You know what I'm saying? I'll risk getting tapeworms and shit. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, truthfully, if you eating your steak well done, grow up, bro. Grow up, bro. You know what I'm saying?
AOA 선배님 빙글뱅글.
Damn, Junk Hall know his shit, man. Junk Hall know his shit.
진짜 빨리 한다.
Damn. Damn. Yeah, you saw that? God damn, that was a loogie.
You got me
Oh my God.
내 낚싯대를 물어주고 그때 마침 잠시 내게 형 나 좀 데려가요.
No, you gotta sing that part aggressively. You gotta sing that part aggressively. Please.
참치.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
그렇지.
참치.
There you go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Time to chat with. I think this was the live for his birthday, right?
하시오. 혹시 취했니?
For sure.
아니요.
Okay.
근데 저도 그렇게 느껴요.
Yeah, for sure. You.
No.
I don't got the capacity for this shit right here. Okay.
허그, 큰 하트, 오케이. 난 괜찮아. 자, 울프기, 윙크, 허그.
Yep, he's a little drunk.
어제 가슴에서
Did he really say that?
아프네. 이거 풀어야 되는데.
It's a massage.
다음 뭐야?
Yeah, bro. Niggas is really getting up in age. They really getting up in age, man.
큰 하트.
He literally, this is how it feels to like get older. He literally did nothing, and he pulled a muscle. He literally did nothing, bro.
큰 하트. 오늘도 작업해? 해야 되긴 하는데. 와, 3.5kg 뛰었다고? 잘했네.
Good job.
애들은 한 10kg씩 뛰는 것 같긴 하던데.
Damn! Did he just shoot down that person's accomplishment?
파이팅. 우리 집?
I'm weak as
막
fuck.
엄청 이쁘게 꾸미진 않았는데 그냥 깔끔하게 깔끔한 걸 좋아해서. 아 근데 이엔이도 진짜 깔끔하긴 해요. 나도 편하고 이엔이도 편한 것 같고 같이 사는 사람이니까 그 사람에게 폐를 끼치면
Inconvenience to the other
안
person.
되고 살기 좋은.
Oh my God, I love that, bro. I hate when cause I used to live with well, maybe I shouldn't air out my sister like that. I used to live with my sister, bro. I love my sister to death, but I can't do it again, twin. Can't do it again. And honestly, I think it was my nephew. His ass is so dirty. He was an infant, and he would just literally he was like an infant. He was crawling around and shit. But he'll crawl around play with a toy and then like leave it all over and then leave it on the floor. Go get another toy and then leave all of that shit on the floor. And I'm like, little nigga, you finna have to get a job soon. You not finna keep doing this. It was my nephew, it wasn't my sister. Never mind.
깔끔한 그런 환경을 좋아하는 사람이다 보니 그런 거를 최대한 맞춰 주려고 이제 항상 노력하는 거고. 그리고
Bro, that burp almost took him out.
스케줄 없거나 하면은 전 진짜 그냥 집에만 있어서 나름 이상한 취미가 생기긴 했어요.
Hold on, what you mean by
그냥
that?
집에서
What you mean by
청소하기.
that? Clean up around the house? That's a weird hobby?
빨래도 하고 청소기 돌리고
Those are weird hobbies? What?
뭐 약간 향초 피우고 약간 이런 거 이런 걸 좋아하긴 해. 자, 나 궁금한 게 있어. 그 가려져 있는 The sun will always be the way that after the rain.
I don't know. Hey, me, auntie toes. I have my show, my dough. Bro, I already got a feeling. Within the next month and a half, 2 months, I'm gonna get a noise complaint. I'm going to get a noise complaint, and I'm going to tell you the day it happens.
용보이 파트야? 차이 파트인 줄 차이 목소리는 닮았는데 아니야, 그
No way.
진짜 용보이 파트예요.
I don't know. The sun will always be. Oh, yeah, because that's the high part. That's Felix. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. No, that's not. That's Chan. Chan's trolling right now. Chan's trolling.
슬래시 비하인드?
Chan's trolling. Is that really Felix, bro?
아, 노트북이라도 있었으면 다 들려줄 거야. 슬래시 사실 되게 재밌는 얘기들 많은데 독특한 얘기라.
Oh, this is.
슬래시 사실 되게 재밌는 얘기들 많은데
I thought these niggas was getting money. They in Detroit right now.
독특한 얘기라.
Those sirens. They in the hood.
애들이 녹음 너무 잘해서.
Hey, listen, bro. When I be, because I know some of y'all be getting mad because some of y'all really be from Detroit. Bro, I'm not saying all of Detroit is the hood, but let's be fucking real. But let's be real, bro. You know.
좋긴 했어. 슬래시. 아, MBTI 검사. 오케이.
Oh my
이거
God,
영어로
I
하는데
did this same
괜찮죠?
test.
한국어로 해볼까?
Should I do it in Korean?
자, 테스트 시작. 주기적으로 새로운 친구를 사귄다. 아,
Ooh,
요새?
hold on. That was tough.
딱히? 아, 요새?
Oh my God, bro. I find myself all the time. Does this mean I'm getting old with this nigga Chan? Fuck. Because I always be like, nowadays, or I be saying, these days. Like, I be feeling like I've been on this earth for a century. I always be using them nowadays, these days.
아, 딱히. 단순하고 직관적인 아이디어보다는 복잡하고 참신한 아이디어에 흥미를 느낀다. 그런 것 같은데. 일반적으로 사는 주장보다 감정적으로 공감 가는 내용이 더 설득력 있다고 든 느낌.
Why you gotta use all of these big words? What does this shit even fucking mean? Spider hand?
이게 왜 어렵냐?
Why is this
일반적으로 사실에 기반한 주장보다 감정적으로 공감하는 내용이 더 설득력 있다고 느낀다. 생활 공간과 업무 공간이 깨끗하게 정돈되어 있다.
I agree. I think so.
그렇다.
I think so.
압박감이 심한 환경에서도
This is for sure, Chan.
심을
This is
유지하는
for
편이다.
sure, Chan. Come on. It's like, bro, I know damn well every time they go out on stage, they are, nervous. I don't care how many times you do shit like that. When you perform in front of thousands and thousands of people, excuse me, I don't think that nervousness goes away. I think that shit stays with you forever. Now, I think when you're on the stage and you get into that flow and you've been up there and you kind of, you know what I'm saying, that's when the nerves kind of go away. But I think like leading up to getting on the stage, I don't think that nervousness ever goes away. But what I'm saying is they still have to lock in and they still gotta, be like, okay, we got a job to do, and they perform under pressure.
형성하거나 남에게 나를 알리는 것은 매우 부담스럽다.
I don't think for Chan, but for me, yes, that terrifies me. That terrifies me.
효과적으로
I
작업을
knew it.
기획하고 우선순위를 정하며 마감 기한보다 훨씬 일찍 작업을 완료할 때가 많다. 아닌데 벼락치기의 왕인데. 근데 뭐하냐?
Oh my God, bro. The reason I procrastinate, the reason you and I procrastinate, we all procrastinate. Well, not we all, because some people really can't. But leaving shit to the, like, it's a different type of Nigel that come out when I procrastinate. Like, when I need something done and it's a deadline and I wait to the last minute, that Nigel that come out, that dude, he only come out when I procrastinate and need it done tomorrow. I love that Nigel. Is it stressful? Yeah, but it's like that focus you get, that tunnel vision. I love that. That's why I would never do shit on time. Like, I'm not on time, but that's why I would never do shit like ahead of time. I always wait to the last minute because I love that feeling of like, it's the fourth quarter, nigga. The fourth quarter. You gotta score. You gotta score a touchdown or the game is over. I love that feeling.
에 따라 다르기도 하고.
And that's why I keep procrastinating, which is
숫자나
bad.
데이터보다는 사람들이 이야기와 감정이 많을 더 말하는. 근데 숫자나 데이터는 팩트잖아.
Thank you. Men lie, women lie, dogs lie, you lie. But what don't? Numbers. I don't know why I did this for numbers, but numbers don't lie. Remember that.
이야기와 감정이 거짓일 수도 있잖아.
Talk to him. Talk about it.
일정한 목록 등기를 체계화할 수 있는 도구를
I like to use
사용하는
organizing tools.
잠깐만. 일정한 목록들을 체계화할 수 있는 도구를
That eyesight is fading.
작은 실수로도 나의 능력이나
This entire live stream has just showed his age. He pulled a muscle, like just giving us an air hug. He pulled a muscle. The burp that got stuck in his chest almost took him out, bro. And then he can't even see. He can't see. This has just been about showing his age.
당연하지.
Oh my God.
가는 사람에게 다가가서 대화를 시작하는 것이 불편하지 않다. 근데 불편하지 않긴 해.
I couldn't do
청소년의
that.
다양한
I'd be terrified.
해석에 대해 토론하는 것에 큰 관심이 없다. 관심이 없다. 그런 거 완전 관심 있지. 꽤 오래 걸리겠는데? 괜찮아요? 자, 행동 계획을 결정할 때 사람들의 감정보다 사실을 우선하다. 그러지 않다. 계획 없이 하루를 보낼 때가 많다. 그렇지 않다.
Yeah, I think
다른
Trent has to have
사람에게
everything
내가 어떤
planned out,
사람을
bro.
보일지 걱정하는 경우는 드물다. 많다라는 거지.
I mean, you worry like, bro, hold on. I'm over here fighting for my damn life with this damn mic, bro. I don't know.
드물다는 단어를
I don't understand half of the question that's on there. I just like the colors, so I pick green every time.
드물다 적다.
No, I'm playing.
역시 스키즈기. Thank you very much. 이제 경우는 드물다. 그렇지 않다. 팀 기반 활동에 참여하는
Yeah, I think Chan is definitely like that person that really wants to make a good impression and really cares about how other people view him. I do too, but I feel like you gotta get out of that because I think you cannot care how people view you. You just have to be a good person, and because bro, at the end of the day, you're a villain in somebody's story. And no matter how good you think you've been to people, in somebody's story, you a villain, and it's probably not even your fault. It's just because how they view you, and you just gotta grow out of that. You just gotta grow out of that, bro.
것을 좋아한다. 지금 그러고 있기 때문에 그렇다.
Facts.
새롭고 검증되지
You're experimenting with
않은
new.
방법에 실험하는 것을 좋아한다.
Oh my God, bro, this is how I know that I had a little bit of soju last night. Not even a little bit. Let me stop. I thought this said you enjoy experimenting on roaches. Oh my God.
인정. 완전한 소리.
Hold on, but what did it actually say? You enjoy experimenting with new, untested approaches.
실험하는 것을
Yes, I agree
좋아한다.
too. I think
인정.
that's Chan for
완전한
sure.
솔직함보다 세심함을 우선시한다. 스테이 도와줘. 애들이 사진 올렸구나. 귀엽네. 언제 찍었대 이거? 솔직한 게 상처가 될 것 같으면
Like when you lie, if you think the truth. Hold on. Like when you lie, if you think the truth.
안 솔직해진다. 오케이.
I tell you that your forehead big as hell. I say that shit all the time. Now, when it come to your breath, that's something that I kind of don't say. Because I know how you feel. You feel what I'm saying? However, I know how you feel when it come to like shit like that, so I don't really say nothing about your breath. But for the last three days, your breath has smelled like a dirty gym sock. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like, bro, if your breath really stink and like say like we meet, right? Say like we meet face to face and your breath really stink, I'm not gonna tell you. And I think that's either, cause that could either be, nah, I ain't gonna tell you. I'm gonna have somebody else tell you your breath smell like shit. I'm not.
근데 약간 장난식으로 솔직함을 많이 쓰긴
As a
해요.
joke.
약간 뭐 친구가 옷이 입었는데 별로야.
You hate your friend's
근데 이제 진짜
outfit.
친구니까 장난으로 이거 진짜 별론데? 그러면 이제 뭐 진짜로 하면 아 장난 잘 어울려.
So just okay. I wouldn't advise that, but
적극적으로 찾는다. 아, yes, 맞아요. 일이 잘못될까봐 자주
I'm
걱정하는
prone to worry
편이다.
that things will take a turn for the worse.
걱정 많이 하니. 단체 활동보다
Definitely.
혼자하는 취미나 행동을 더 좋아한다. 아 근데 이거는 약간 내가 애들이랑 같이 있으면 그냥 애들이랑 뭘 하도 좋고 집에
I love how he calls them the kids, bro.
혼자 있으면
If I'm alone, if I'm
그냥
home
혼자서 뭐
alone.
하고.
Oh my God, bro. Say you like home alone for a long time. You know what I'm saying? You ain't had no human interactions. Do you sometimes feel like you not even real sometimes? Like, do you feel like you not even existing? When it's just you, like when you are just, it ain't no humans around you. It's just you. Do you not feel like, bro, who's to say I'm real right now? Like if a tree falls in the forest, does the tree fall? Who heard the forest? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, am I really real if nobody else can see me but me? That shit trippy. I'm gonna stop talking about it. That shit give me anxiety.
그리고 막 애들도 또 막 찾으면 그게 불편할 수도 있으니까. 이거 어려운데?
Oh, this is hard.
이거 약간 너무
It's
그
the words. It's the words.
가운데.
I'll pick
내가
neutral.
소설가로 일하는 모
Now this test was super vague too. Like it was just like words that was kind of a big umbrella, like generalizing. Anyway, you cannot imagine yourself writing fictional stories for a living.
모습은 상상할 수 없다.
I think he kind of does this with music.
있긴 해.
It's just real.
감정적 측면을 다소 무시하더라도 의사 결정의 효율성을 선호한다.
See, like, why couldn't they? Well, like, what did this mean? You favor efficiency in this. Oh, efficiency. I know that word. Fast. You favor like fast decisions, even if it means disregarding some emotional aspects.
무시하더라도 의사 결정의 효율성을 선호한다. 이거 왜 어렵냐? 이게 생각할수록 어렵네. 헷갈려. 아, 스키지기 스테이 도와줘. 내가 정하면 빠른데 사람들
Keep
의견 다
listening to people who
들어주는
need to make a decision fast.
그럼 당연히 사람들 의견 들어야.
I think he has to because he's a leader, so he has to hear everybody's.
휴식을 취하기
opinions
전에
and thoughts.
집안일을 먼저 하는 것을 더 좋아하다. 그렇다. 당연하지. 의견 차이가 있는 경우에는 다른 사람의 감정을 지켜주기보다는 나의 주장을 입증하는 것을 우선시한다. 이거는
Hold on, let me read that one more time.
입증하는 것을 우선시한다.
You prioritize proving your point over. I took this same test, and somehow I forgot the questions. God damn. In disagreements, you prioritize proving your point over preserving the feelings of others. I'm gonna get my point across. Fuck how you feel. I'm gonna get my point across. You know what I'm saying?
이거는 뭐 때문에 의견 차이가 있는지에 따라 다를 것 같긴 한데 특히 싸우는 걸 안 좋아해서.
They don't like arguing.
그래도
Same here.
상대편의 감정을
Same here, Chan.
지켜주려 하긴 하지. 일반적으로 사교 모임에서는 다른 사람들이 먼저 다가오기를 기다린다.
I do for sure, Chan. It's okay if you do too.
먼저 다가가지
Not the first
않긴
one to approach
하는데.
I mean, because you really out here, you really popping. you really popping, Chan. I'm sure people come up to you. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta say, hey, my name is Bang Chan. I already know you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you ain't gotta do that. You out here really having aura. You know what I mean?
뭐 오면 오는 거고 안 오면 안 오는 거고 가운데.
Nah, but he's still a good person, though. You know what I mean? He probably still
뭐
approaches
옛날에
people.
예민할 때
Used to
좀
be like
그러긴
these days.
했는데 요새는 또 안 그런 것 같기도 하고.
These days, I'm trying to tell you, when you get older, you're gonna start using these days. To all the little kids out there that's watching right now, you're gonna start using it.
동요하지 않는다. 약간 참여하지 않는다. 역시 스키지밖에 없다. 노래를 부르지 않는다.
Change your mind.
이거 가운데. 해야 할 일을 마지막까지 미룰 때가 많다. 아니야, 생각보다 그렇진 않아. 윤리적 딜레마에 대해 토론하는 것을 좋아한다. 토론하는 걸 약간 좋아하긴 한데.
Why did it freeze right here? Look at his lip. Look at his lip.
윤리적 딜레마?
Ethical dilemma.
이건 스테이한테 한번 들어봐.
He has to say everything. This is how I was when I was taking it too. I had to ask the chat, like, bro, what does this mean, bro? What is?
뭐야?
Oh my god.
아, 배터리.
The battery is low.
나.
And was this not like a super long live too? Was this not recorded to be one of the longest lives like that the Stray Kids ever did?
괜찮은가요? 근데 약간
She was like 4 hours, right? Something like that.
응. 도와줘. 철학적인 내용. 아, 이런 거 좋지. 이런 거 재밌지.
Okay, so this is the philosopher question.
자, 이제 50%야.
Half-
자, 일반적으로 혼자 있는 것보다는 다른 사람과 어울리는 것을 선호한다. 뭐나 애들만 있으면 되는데.
Aww, but it's nice when I get to be.
혼자 있는 게 좋은데. 아, 이거 참 애매하네. 가운데. 논의가 지나치게 이론적으로 진행되면 지루해하거나 흥미를 잃는다. 딱 그렇진 않은데 이론적으로 가는 것도 재밌는데.
These things are fun.
사실과
I can definitely see Chan as like a conspiracy theorist.
감정이
When
충돌할
facts and feelings conflict, you usually find yourself following your heart. I ain't gonna lie, that's a bar. That's a bar.
이게 사실과 감정이 이렇게 따로 분리될 수가 없는데 사실에 따라 감정이 바뀌는 거야.
Let him cook
따로
though.
분리될 수가 없는데 사실에 따라 감정이 바뀌는
It's
거죠.
dependent on facts. Ooh, he just cooked. You wasn't even listening. He just cooked.
아닌가? 가운데. 업무나
You can't cook like that and then pick neutral.
학업 일정을
You find it challenging to maintain a consistent work or study schedule.
일관성 있게 유지하는 것이 어렵다. 딱히 학교도 다니고 연습생 회사도 겁나 잘 다녔으니까
Which is insane, bro.
어렵지 않다. 이미 내린 결정에 대해서 다시 생각하는 경우는 드물다. 아, 그렇지 않다. 친구들은 내가 활차고 외향적인 사람이라고 말할 것이다. 뭐 그런 애들 있고 그런 애들 없고 뭐 가운데 글쓰기
What? What?
뭐 그런 애들 있고 그런 애들 없고 뭐 가운데 글쓰기 등 창의성
What was that?
표현을
Are on various forms of creative expression such as writing. Strongly agree.
네.
That's what he does. That's what he does.
그렇다. 보통 감정적인 인상보다는 객관적인 사실에 기반하여 선택한다. 어려운데? 왜 어렵냐? 스테이크 예시 한 번만.
What's the example?
예를
again?
들면 그런 거.
Okay, for
친구한테
example,
이 사람은
someone has potential in a team project,
성장 가능성이 있어서
Okay.
팀플에 넣을
but they aren't good. But they aren't good right now.
것인지 지금 현준이 못해서 안 넣을 것인지.
Hell no. Try again next year, nigga. Look, put it like this. And you know, this might be a bar, it may not be, but I'm gonna still do this at the end of it. Okay, look, check me out. When it comes to dating, right? I think we need to stop looking at like this guy or girl has potential to be the guy or girl that I want in the future. Right? I hate well, yeah, she has potential. Or yeah, he has potential. So I'm just going to settle. And, you know, maybe I'm just venting to you because this is something that happened recently close to me. But it's like, don't settle for somebody because they have potential. Okay? Go for the person that you think is the right fit right now. All right? Fuck that potential shit. Nobody potential my ass, okay?
가능성이 있으니까.
That may have been a bar, may not have been. Who cares?
약간 운 좋으면 그만 잘 할 수도 있잖아.
If you're lucky, you'll do a good job.
아니야?
No?
사람이
Chan,
꼭
what?
그 사람이
Do you pick based on their experience or how you feel about them? I would pick based on their experience, but I think Chan would pick how you feel.
능력을 봐 아니면 내 느낌을 봐.
Chan is a good freaking guy, man. That's what I'm saying. He's a good guy.
잘할 것 같은데 약간 내 감을 느끼냐 아니면 그 사람의 전적
Judge based on either my feelings or that person's history. Yeah, like either whether you like the person, like if that's your best. Could you tell your best friend, hey, you can't be on my team because you're fucking ass at kickball.
You
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you straight up. Unless you kick with your forehead, then no, I'm playing.
나는 우리 애들 뽑을 때 감으로 뽑긴 했어. 그래.
See?
매일 할
See?
일을 계획하는 것이 좋다.
They have to do this for each day.
여행 외에 네. 불안함을 느끼는
Rarely
경우는
feel
듭니다.
insecure.
그렇지 않다. 전화 걸 일을 꺼린다.
You start making phone
약간 좀 불편해한다?
Yeah.
그렇지 않다.
Really, bro? I get nervous calling in a pizza. You know what I'm saying? I get nervous calling Papa John.
생소한 아이디어, 관점을 탐구하는 일을 좋아한다. 좋지.
Facts.
방금 만난 사람과
You can easily
쉽게
connect
친해질
with
수 있다.
people
그러니까
you just met.
어떤 사람이냐에 따라 그게 다르지. 이 사람 착하면 뭐 그래요.
Yeah.
친해질 수 있지.
We can
근데 막
connect.
처음부터 막 엄청
Really
무례하고
disrespectful.
막 엄청 막
What? I didn't get that. That's facts. That's facts. That's why I don't know how we became best friends. Cause you are one rude mother.
질문이 너무 좀
What are
그래.
these questions?
마음에 안 들면
I don't
안
like
친해지는
it. I
거고.
won't connect with them.
마음에
Simple.
들면
Simple.
친해지고.
Simple.
응? 가운데. 계획에
Chan, you're killing me with this neutral shit.
차질이
If plans are interpreted, I did the same thing 2 times. Oh my God. If plans are interrupted, your top priority is to get back on track as soon as
생기면
possible.
최대한 빨리
I agree.
원래 계획대로
I agree.
진행하는
He
게
is.
최우선을 한다.
I think he would for sure.
그렇다.
I think he would for
오래전에
sure.
실수를 후회하곤 한다.
You're
그렇다.
bothered. Hold on, you're bothered. What? That was fast.
그렇다. 오래전에
You are still bothered by mistakes that you made a long time ago. Yes, for
실수를
sure.
후회하곤 한다.
I think this is for sure, Chan. I think the
미래의
leader.
세상이 어떤 모습일지에 대한
Leaders for
의견을
sure. You are not too interested in discussing theories on what the world.
주고받는 일에는 크게 관심이
Bro,
없다.
that burp almost. Woo! My God, me and Chan. God damn.
그렇지 않다.
I think his
감정을
age is
조절하기보다는 감정에
contagious.
휘둘린다.
Twin.
감정을 조절하기보다는
That question couldn't have been that good. Hold on.
감정이
Your emotions control you more than you control
휘둘린다.
them. That's crazy, bro. That is
결정을 내릴
crazy.
때는
I disagree. When making decisions, you focus more on how the affected people might feel than on what
가장
is
논리적이고
logical
효율적인
or
결정보다는
efficient.
관련자들의 감정에 집중한다.
I think Chan cares about who is
그치.
calling me.
다수의 의견을
Yeah, try to
웬만하면
follow the
항상
majority
따르려고 하는 것 같아요.
Opinions.
그렇다. 근데 그 다수의 결정이 뭔가 내가 생각해도 논리적이지 않으면 그래도 어떻게든 설득은 하려 할 것
Then I'll try to persuade them somehow.
같은데 예를 들어 막 다 죽을 수 있는 상황이야.
Yeah, I think Chan and a lot of us really are like people pleasers. And like I said, bro, that shit is. I think that's a bad trait. I really do. I really think that you should not be a people pleaser. But I feel like a lot of us grow up like adopting that trait. Bro, I promise y'all, I'm not farting. This chair is just fucking terrible quality. And when I back up, like when I lean into it, it's almost like I didn't put a screw on right or something like that. Because it always, something pops like out of place or something like that. But anyways.
아니야 이렇게 해야 돼.
No, we have to do this.
아닌데 누가 봐도 이렇게 하면 다 죽는 그런 시츄에이션이야.
Everyone will die. So
어떻게든 설득을.
I don't think it's that. You know what, Chan? This is your test, buddy. Do what you think how you want to think.
해야지.
I have to talk
근데
about it.
그게 아니면 어이씨 어렵다.
This is hard.
가운데.
Chan, you pick neutral one more time. You pick neutral one more time, Chan.
계획에 따라
Your personal work style is closer to spontaneous bursts of energy than organized and consistent effort.
일관성 있게 업무를 진행하기보다는 즉흥적인 에너지로 업무를.
I swear, bro. This be me. This be me and you. Let's be real. Come on now. You watch one motivational video. You watch one motivational video on Instagram or TikTok. And you think, oh, I'm gonna be successful. And then you get to work and you don't. 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 You don't The next day. No, fuck the next day. That night, if I watch a motivational TikTok, especially when it comes to the gym, if it's 12 a.m., if it's 2 a.m., I'm getting out the bed and I'm doing push-ups, bro. I'm doing push-ups. It's for me, it's spontaneous at times, but for the most part, I think I'm more organized. I think Chan's more organized
그렇지 않아.
because he has to be.
상대방이 나를 높게 평가하면 나중에
When
상대방이
someone thinks highly of you, you wonder how long it will take. No, I remember this question right here. Oh my God. I remember this question right here. This one was deep.
실망하게 될까
This
걱정하고
one was
한다.
deep because I really felt this. I really felt this.
대부분의 시간을 혼자서 일할 수 있는 직업을 원한다.
Hell no. Not for me.
네, 딱히 추상적인 철학적 질문에 대해 깊게 생각하는 일은 시간 낭비로 생각한다. 그게 왜 시간 낭비야?
Why waste the time? I'm
그런
Galileo.
생각을 좀 해야 머리도 돌고 막 생각도 하고 그러면 막
Chan, you doing that shit again, man. What are you saying?
그런 생각을 좀 해야 머리도 돌고 막 생각도 하고 그러면 막 이럴 수도 있겠다 저럴 수도 있겠다 그리고 이제 막
Didn't he say he wasn't drunk? I can't fucking tell. I love this nigga though, man. I love Chan.
조용하고 사적인 장소보다는 사람들로 붐비고 떠들썩한 장소에 마음이 더 끌린다.
Agree. Agree.
가운데
Chan, listen, dead ass. One more time. Dead ass. I'm not playing. One more pink neutral. One more time, bro.
어떤 결정이 옳다고 생각하면 추가적인 근거 없이 행동으로 옮기는 경우가 많다. 그러니까 뭔 소리야 이게? 근거 없이 행동으로 옮기는 경우가 많다. 그래도 근거가 있어야 내가 좀 그 옳다고 생각하는 그 이유가 좀 생기긴 하는데. 그러니까 근거 없이 그냥 아니야 내가 맞아. 근거는 있어야 되는데 납득을 할 수 있을 거 아니에요. 그렇지 않다. 거의 다 왔어.
Why does he get so deep?
격한 감정에 휩싸일 때가 많다. 뭐 예를 들어 뭐 주변 뭐 어떤 친구가 울고 있으면 나도 울어야 되는 건가?
Oh my God, bro. The older I get, the more emotional I am, bro. The older I get, the more like I used to not be the one to cry at like over movies. Nowadays, if little Benjamin gotta go to the hospital because he finna die, bro, my life is over. I'm sobbing. Like, you know, it's just shit. It's just changed. The older you get, the more emotional you get. And I don't know what the science is behind it, but it's really, I'm not gonna say easy now to make me cry, but I really feel my emotions more now. I don't know if it's because my emotions are aging with me. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
울고 있으면 나도 울어야 되는 건가?
I think so. Come on, Chan. Let's be real. Let's be real. How many stages have you? It's been real. I'm not gonna lie. I love y'all. I love Chan, but I just can't do this neutral shit no more. Okay? I will see you in the next. I'm playing Chan. Stop picking neutral, bro.
단계를 건너뛰는 일 없이
You complete things
절차대로 일을
methodically. Look, hey, it's Korean. Without skipping over any steps.
그러려고 노력하는 것 같아. 구체적인 단계를 따르기보다는 창의적인 해결책을 생각해내야 하는 일을
Concrete
선호한다.
steps. Chan, come on. I think I agree.
약간 이거 개발비로 생각하면
Chan, just answer the question.
창의적인 게
You
필요하긴
need to be
해.
creative.
가운데 선택할 때 논리적으로 추론 나 토론하는데 추론은 뭐야? 선택할 때
You're more likely to rely on emotional
논리적으로
intuition.
추론하기보다는 감정적인 직관에 더 의지하는
I think Chan is very in touch with his emotions. I'm gonna say agree.
이게 추론이 무엇인가?
As a matter of fact, hold on. Did I read? You are more likely to rely on emotional intuition. I say agree. I think Chan is deeply connected with his emotions.
무엇인가? 마감 기한을 지키기가 힘들다. 아니야 또 그렇진 않아. 일이 원하는 대로 진행이 될 것이라는 자신감이 있다. 테스트 결과? 그러니까 이게 바뀌지가 않아. 바뀌지가 않다고. 똑같아.
Slow, Chan. Yeah, chill. Hold on. Let me read it. Well, I mean, I try. I don't even. You know, let's just get not. Yeah. I could have. What did I get? I forgot what I got.
똑같아. 안 바뀌어. 안 바뀌어.
Oh my God! Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
나 바뀔 줄 알았는데. 그래도 아까 말한 대로 딱 그거네요. E랑 I 뭔가 간당간당하고 N은 거의 N이고 F랑 T도 간당간당하고 J도 J.
I think I was J. Wasn't I J?
나 바뀔 줄 알았는데. 그러니까 왜 안 바뀌냐?
Cause you're the same person answering the same
I랑
question.
T로 바뀔 줄 알았는데.
Or was I T? I don't know. I don't know which one. I think I was J.
그렇진 않네. 맞아, 나 ENFJ라서 INFP랑 잘 맞는다더라. 아무튼 찬이 오늘 집 언제 갈 생각이야? 여기가 내 집인데? 이 집이잖아, 집. JYP 집. 술 가야 되긴 해요. 좋았어. 자, 그럼 간다잉. 이거 매운 거 먹어서 지금 화장 다 던진 거 같은데? 빠.
Oh yeah, I forgot he did eat the damn spicy shit.
안녕.
Peace out, Chan.
뿅.
Peace out.
Beautiful.
See, hell no. I honestly think everybody should take that test seriously. That MTV Cribs test, whatever the shit was. But I love you so much. Peace out. See you in the next one. We're about to embark on a, say it with me, stray.
Kids.
Not
Straying.
not straight, not stretchy, stray.
Like a stray dog.
Stray kids. You've had a goddamn deck of cards in your hand.
Of course.
What's the strongest card in the entire deck?
The Blue Eyes White Dragon.
You're finna fucking piss me off. This nigga right here can spit his ass off too.
Spit like
No, not hawk too. No, I'm saying.
첫 번째 메뉴는 소고기 모듬 세트.
God damn, Woo Young hungry as hell.
구워주시는 거야?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That looks absolutely delicious. Like I would eat it like that. I can't lie. You know what I'm saying? I'll risk getting tapeworms and shit. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, truthfully, if you eating your steak well done, grow up, bro. Grow up, bro. You know what I'm saying?
AOA 선배님 빙그뱅글.
Damn, Junk Hall know his shit, man. Junk Hall know his shit.
진짜 빨리 한다.
Fire!
넌 까맣게
Damn.
너무
Damn. Yeah, you saw that? God damn, that was a loogie.
You got me 너의 내
My God.
낚싯대를 물어주어 그때 마침 잠시 내게 형 나 좀 데려가요.
No, you gotta sing that part aggressively. You gotta sing that part aggressively. Please.
참치
There you go. There you go. There you go.
그렇지.
참치
There you go. Yeah.
Let's go.